An exterior shutter with corner damage can be repaired using the following steps. Begin by cutting around the edge of the area with a sharp blade to remove loose particles and to deepen the opening. Place a mound of body filler, like Bondo, on a mixing board. Then add a small amount of hardener, about the size of a pencil eraser, to the base and thoroughly mix. Apply the putty into the cutout, slightly overlapping the recessed area. Allow 15 to 30 minutes to dry. Use a straight blade razor to initially remove larger portions of the hardened filler. Once close to the surface, sand to reduce the hardened putty to the same plane as the surrounding area and wipe away any loose particles. Open and thoroughly mix the primer. We suggest using a high-quality exterior-grade latex primer. Use a foam or bristle brush to apply primer to the area. After about 30 minutes, lightly sand with 220 grit sandpaper. Use just enough pressure to smooth out the surface and not remove the primer. Then, wipe free of dust. Shake the bottle of touch-up paint until thoroughly mixed. You can paint straight from the bottle, or you may wish to decant the paint into a larger container. Apply a healthy coat of paint to cover the primed section. The new paint may appear to be a different tone and sheen, but will eventually blend in with the old paint. If the paint surface does not dry smooth, sand and apply a second coat. Otherwise, your task is complete. Also see our videos on applying touch-up paint and making minor repairs. Shutterland.com is your complete source for finding the best exterior window shutters for your project.